Jamaica has many mother-headed households which need support. We respect the Jamaican mother, and we must find ways to support her motherhood. Our maternity leave requirements have not changed since we in the PNP pioneered the 8 weeks of paid leave and 4 weeks of unpaid leave for maternity in the 1970s. But since the year 2000, the International Labour Organization's Maternity Protection Convention has mandated a minimum of 14 weeks or 98 days of paid maternity leave and recommends 18 weeks. Jamaica is among the 30% of countries which remain non-compliant with that new standard from 2000, no longer new, 22 years old. Time come to upgrade Jamaica's maternity leave requirements to current international best standard.
Where would I be, love? Where would I be? Where would I be without my mama? Who made me love you? There's nothing I'd put above you. No host, nor no girl, nor.
We also respect fathers who show up and partner with mothers. They also need support, and we will introduce legislation to create an entitlement to paternity leave with pay for fathers so men can bond with their newborn children and build stronger family life in this country.